Welcome back to Savvy Serena. I am doing another planner video. It is the See It Bigger Plan Ahead planner for January 2019 to 2020 monthly. This is the one I use for my YouTube channel. The first thing I've noticed, it is textured. It's got like a textured cover. It's not that clear cover like they've used in the past. Let's see if I can get a closer shot of it. I don't know if you can see that, where it's textured. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got a textured feel with it. It's kind of a cardboard feeling, and I'll be curious to see how this holds up. It's got the 3-hole punch where you can put it in your binder. Oh, and they also had them in the blue and the black, like this piece right here, in the blue and the black. Okay, right off the bat, I'm noticing the font's a little different. So we'll see how that goes. You've got you've got the welcome letter from the CEO of the company, and then you have your personal information that you can put in here if you want to, in case you lose it. I know a lot of people like to do that. Can y'all see that? It's your personal information. And then they've got your medical contacts, which would be like your doctor, your dentist, the hospital. Then you have your financial contacts, which is your bank, your credit card, your accountant, your lawyer. They have your insurance contacts, which is auto insurance, homeowner's insurance, mortgage, disability, and other. Then you have your household contacts, which are electricity, gas, water, cable, trash, alarm, heating, and air conditioning. And I think that's it of that. Then you've got 2019 year in a glance. And I can tell that these fonts are different already than they were before. At least that is. I think these are too. This looks the same, but the font looks different. And they do it again for 2020. And then they do it again for 2021. And then we go to your holidays, if you need to know what holiday we're in. So you have the holidays for 2019, 2020, what day of the week it falls on, and what day it is. And they also tell you whether it's a U.S. holiday, a United States holiday, Canada holiday, or a Mexico holiday. It'll abbreviate it with the U.S. or Canada is C-A-N, and let's see, Mexico is M-E-X. And then we go into the events, and that looks different. It looks like they've got a line down the center. It wasn't like that in the old one. The fonts are different. I guess so you can put more things in if you have more events, but that's from January to December. And maybe they did it for like, this could be 2019 and this could be 2020 maybe. I don't use that as often. And then we go into the monthly. And the monthly, I automatically notice there's not designs up here at the top. The font's different. I'm also seeing the days of the weeks are in black and the weekends are in pink. And this one. Oh, and they have check boxes lined up with the week. Oh, that might be nice over on the side. I don't know if you can see that or not. But the check boxes are lined up for the week. So now you can write stuff and check it off as you go. That's nice. And that goes all the way through for 2 years. And something I noticed in the last planner that I did, at the end of December and this one, it tells you to go to Walmart and get you another one. Kind of a little reminder. And then it goes into the notes. And they give you 4 or 5 pages from notes. And then they go into contacts. I'm seeing the contacts are a little different as well. It's like a bolder print. Can y'all see that? It's like a bolder print for the name, and then it's a little bit lighter for the address, phone number, office, email, cell, and fax. So that's a little different. They changed it up, so that's kind of nice to see something different. And then, of course, always the passwords on the back. And I'm even seeing a difference with that as well. I'm seeing that, again, the website is in bold. And then the login, password, and notes, if you have any notes with it, are in like a lighter color. So that's nice. Where before, I think website was in pink. So not bad. Not bad at all. And they give you several pages of that. Which I don't think I've ever used all the password things that they give you. And I believe that's it. Then the back page is a colored piece of paper of the planner piece. And that's not laminated. That's just like a piece of paper like the rest of it. And then the back cover. And I will say something else too. I noticed that it's a little bit more flexible too as well. So that's the monthly one. I think I'm going to enjoy it. Like I said, I use this for my YouTube channel. I don't really use it for anything else. I mainly use it for YouTube. So I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. The next one I'm going to do is the monthly and weekly See It Bigger planner. So stay tuned for that one. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for my monthly, and so you don't miss out on the monthly and weekly See It Bigger planner. And I've got something big coming up with the planners. So stay tuned for that. Y'all come back now. Y'all hear?